Do you ever find that your home is missing that cozy feel? My name is Kate with WTI, and you probably need a throw blanket. This beautiful chenille throw blanket is from Down Home. I have it in both the blue and green. Right away, you'll notice how soft it is. It's made of 55% chenille and 45% cotton, so it's got a really cool blend, and it's woven together in this gorgeous leaf pattern. The edges have a really pretty tassel detail, and it's nice and lightweight, but it definitely adds some warmth, so perfect for the whole year. I always love to have a throw on my couch. It's great for the end of the bed. I've even taken this outdoors when I'm a little chilled. It's perfect for that too. One thing that stood out to me is that it doesn't easily snag. So I have a dog and he often gets his little claws caught in my blankets. And with this blanket, that doesn't happen. As an added bonus, it's reversible, so you can get more than one look out of the same blanket. I also really like the size, perfect for an adult. So if you're looking for an easy way to add comfort and coziness to your space, I think you'll be really pleased with how this piece will fit into your home, and that's my point of view.